Hi, this is Matt with AppliancePartsPros.com. Today we'll be showing you how to repair your appliance. Remember, anytime you work on an appliance, make sure it's unplugged or the circuit breakers are off so there's no chance of electrocution. Also make sure you turn off your hot and cold water supplies. In this video we're going to show you how to change out the LG washer water inlet valve assembly. It's going to be a very easy repair and should only take a few minutes to show you how to do it. If you already have one of these, great. If not, you can click on the link below or get it at AppliancePartsPros.com. When you open up the package, you're going to get the new water inlet valve assembly. The water inlet valve assembly is located on the back of the washer. The main reason you'd be changing it out is if it's sprung a leak or if the solenoid has gone bad and the hot water is not coming in. Now that we have access to the back of the machine, we can take off the hot water line. You want to make sure that before you take this off, you put a towel down on the floor, and we're going to use our pliers to loosen up the water line, and then we can take it off with our hand. Now we can take the top off. We're going to remove the lower screws that hold the bracket to the body. Once we get those screws out, we can pull the top off. Now we can pull the top back. You want to pull it back just about 1.5 inches so you can clear the stoppers. If you go back too far, you won't be able to lift it up because it'll hit the stoppers on the other side. So you just want to go about 1.5 inches back. Now we can pull off the connector for the water inlet valve. All you have to do is pull back so it comes off, and then put down a towel underneath this hose here just in case any extra water comes out of it. Then we can take our pliers and slide this clamp back on the hose and pull the hose off. Next we can take out the screws that hold the water inlet valve in place. Once you have those out, you can pull it out. Here's the old water inlet valve assembly next to the new one. If you already have one of these, great. If not, you can get it at AppliancePartsPros.com. To put the new water inlet valve in, we're going to go ahead and lower it down into place and put the screws back in. Now that we have it mounted, we can go inside and connect it up. Now we can reconnect the hose. We're just going to push it on until it bottoms out. And then we can take our pliers, push this clamp back up. Now that we have the hose connected, we can reconnect the wiring harness. Now we can put the top on. You want to set it down a little bit back from the front. You want to make sure that the stoppers go into these little cutouts so they can snap into their little grooves, and we can set the top down and push it forward to lock it into place. Now we can put the screws back in that hold the top in place. Now we can hook up the fill hose. All you have to do is start it by hand, then take your channel locks or pliers and tighten it down. Now that you're done repairing the appliance, you can plug it back in, turn the water back on, and give it a spin. Thanks for joining us for another successful repair brought to you by AppliancePartsPros.com. Check out our other repair videos on our site, Facebook, and YouTube.